with us the captain of VRS Old Boys, Sean Forsier. So you just won your semi-final against CCD. Just tell us how this match went for you.
I think with the toss we decided to bowl first, and I think the first over set a platform for the rest of the game. First over went for wicket and 0 runs, so I think that was the start of the day, and I think we just continue our good performance the whole day.
Okay, so you guys lost 1 or 2 players to the Nepal Premier League. Are you feeling you have a good squad for the final on Saturday?
Yeah, definitely. I think we have a lot of youngsters in as well today, 2 new guys as well. I think it's a golden opportunity for youngsters and someone new to stand up and deliver on a big stage like a final tomorrow.
Okay, so you'll be playing against Wanderers. Just tell us about your thoughts about Wanderers progressing to the final.
Well, their first win came in the semi-finals. So hopefully that was their last win for the season, and we will continue. We had a good season, so we'll just continue our performance into tomorrow, and I think we'll get on top then.
Okay, so the final not to be played at Wanderers, but at the NCG in Olympia. How do you feel about that change of venue?
I think it's lovely from Cricket Namibia for us to play their Premier League final, and for a lot of new guys also their first game on the NCG. I think it's a great opportunity for them to play on an international field.
All the best.
Thank you.